The power of passive. Mastering passive voice in formal and scientific writing. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our video. Today we'll be delving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, the passive voice. We're going to concentrate on how and why it's used in formal and scientific writing. So buckle up and get ready for some grammar magic. In the English language, we have two voices, active and passive. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action, like, Tom painted the fence. In passive voice, the subject of the sentence is acted upon, as in, the fence was painted by Tom. The usage of passive voice in formal and scientific writing is prevalent. It brings a sense of objectivity and removes the emphasis from the actor or the doer of the action, focusing instead on the action itself. In formal writing, we often use the passive voice to add a sense of formality and impersonality. It's used to create an objective tone, focusing on the action rather than who is performing it. Let's consider an example. Active. Our company implemented the new policy. Passive. The new policy was implemented. Here, the passive voice shifts the focus onto the important information, the implementation of the new policy. The actor, our company, becomes less important, adding a formal tone to the sentence. In scientific writing, the passive voice is even more prevalent. It helps maintain an objective tone, emphasizing the results of research rather than the researchers. For instance, active, we analyzed the data. Passive, the data was analyzed. In the passive version, the emphasis is placed on the action, the data was analyzed, rather than on who did the analyzing. Despite its benefits, passive voice should not be used indiscriminately. In general, active voice makes sentences clearer and more direct. Overuse of the passive voice can make your writing seem distant or overly complex. Remember, the key to good writing is balance, using the right voice for the right context. That's it for today, folks. We hope you now have a better understanding of how and why the passive voice is used in formal and scientific writing. Remember, mastering the use of active and passive voice will significantly enhance your English writing skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using passive voice like a pro. As always, thanks for watching, and happy learning.